So on the server performance tab, and this is interesting because not only does Power On reporting collect usage data and user activity from the database, but it's also connecting configuration and performance statistics and uploading them so that we can get an idea of what those look like over time. So we can do some trending analysis here, and this is really helpful for forecasting future capacity requirements. So if we are onboarding more and more users and we're seeing our processor time continuously climb, then we might know that, hey, you know what, this is trending upward, we need to address this, and we can add capacity, scale out, scale up as you wish. By the way, you'll notice that this is across all servers. I can always drill down into individual servers and get a look at a specific server. I can also move the sliders here for the time, and I can actually increase or decrease the time in which I want to look at traffic for this very specific server. So I'm going to go clear that. So I have the ability to look at a processor time, memory utilization. Again, if either of these are consistently trending upward, it allows you time to be able to make those configuration changes prior to an outage, running out of resources and so forth. Same thing with disk free space. Reporting drive space. If you see these trending upward consistently and not plateauing, then you'll know, hey, this is something that's going to need to be addressed. So ideally, keeping an eye on these reports is going to allow you, the always-on VPN administrator, to be out in front of any issues and avoid any potential outages that are caused by unforeseen resource utilization or capacity constraints.